We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. Engineering's a creative field where we train and gain the skills to build. All over the world there's a large appeal, and problem solving's part of the deal. We create great paths on new roads. There's so much we do that you might not know. From the internet to prosthetic legs, we take new steps to help the world grow. So many helpful inventions have come from so many brilliant roles. Fun fact, when you're online shopping without engineering, it wouldn't be so. And when you're playing them games online, you best to know that the same thing goes. When you see Teslas that self-drive, it's all engineering results. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. If you're watching this and you're leaving school but you're unsure of what choices to make, you think university isn't for you and you still don't know what path to take, Make UK can offer you a change. Instead of paying to learn, you learn to get paid. Take apprenticeships, hands-on create. You won't see a typical classroom day. Think of the learning skills and where you'll be in 3 years' time. A full-time job with no debt to pay. More importantly, you're fully qualified. Follow the instructions and apply. It's a well-known fact that demand's still high. There's just not enough qualified engineers, so take the chance, don't let it pass you by. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. Look, all at Make UK. 124,000 engineers and technicians all in demand across the country in every area, ready to work with those skills at hand. Roughly 79,000 types of engineering roles all in demand. 48k average salary, and that's quite high. Go make those grand. 55k stage salary. If you're thinking of bigger plans, you could be that computer engineer that has the whole world in his hands. The skill can take you anywhere in the world. All sorts of possibilities can arise. Who knows? You might be a star in the metaverse, so get to work on advanced AI. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. The aspirations and options are high. If you take this path, you'll eventually fly from cybersecurity to new forms of energy. Build a robot like Optimus Prime. There's no limits, so don't think slow. From app development to creating crypto, the world's come a long way from ringtones. You can bank on that with no pin code. Make UK are the best engineering facility. So now what do you make of it? Teachers, tutors with years of experience, ready to share and get you trained with it. Over the years, they've made relationships with major businesses and led to greater things. Keeping up to date with all the employers, so they oversee the state of things.
I would recommend as many girls as possible to get into engineering and especially manufacturing. I'm enjoying it so much. We do hands-on work from milling. This is a collet where I'm learning how to use this machine over here, and I'd say that you can go upstairs on computers and do CAD work. It's something that's very male dominated, and I think there's not enough girls in there, so it is something you want to get into, or even just try, you know, come have a look, take a look at these sort of places, explore, have a look at Make UK. That's what I did. I found their website and that's how I found an amazing apprenticeship, and I'm enjoying it so much, so I'd really love for more girls to get on board.
I chose the apprenticeship route over the university route because when I went to A-levels and did all that, it wasn't very hands-on for me. I'm a very hands-on practical person, and you can get that practical experience when you're doing an apprenticeship rather than go to uni, going in debt, and you can get paid while doing that apprenticeship as well, while getting those industry recognised qualifications.
The reason I chose engineering was because I've always had a knack for it. Even when I was in college, I liked putting things together and taking them apart, so I've always found like a really keen interest in engineering. And when I found out about apprenticeships, I realised that that was the way forward, and I was able to be hands-on and more efficient with my work and life goals in the future. I've been doing an apprenticeship in engineering.
So the reason why I have chosen to do an apprenticeship is because I've already gone down the uni route and I found out that it wasn't for me. I gained more experience going through an apprenticeship rather than going through uni and doing it all academic. You'd rather do theory and practical, gain the experience and the knowledge and gain the money as well, rather than going to thousands of pounds of debt just to get a degree at the end of it, and you might not even get a qualified job at the end.
If after watching this, a career in manufacturing is of interest, you've seen the facilities, you've seen the tutors, you've seen and heard from the apprenticeships, why not come and visit us at Make UK?
We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK. We help you learn, we help you train, we give you work, we make you gain the best engineering skills in the world. All at Make UK.